Hello guys, it's Agent. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Cagayan de Oro, then go to Camiguin for another travel vlog. So let's go. After more than an hour, we're here in Camiguin. Ganda ng sky. Let's go vacation. Morning. So, technically first day in Camiguin. So, it's still early. So, plan namin pumunta na isang island later. Baka White Island or Naked Island. But for now, mag-design muna kami kasi wala nang ginawa, hindi kumain all the way from Singapore pa. Sobrang wala. Anyway, in yung room namin. Sobrang ganda ng place. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi gabi na kami dumating kagabi. Kaya hindi na masyado ma-appreciate yung ganda ng area. So yun. Anyway, let's start the day. So we had our breakfast. Now we're heading to White Island. Let's go! Magpapatan na tayo kasi na-miss ko na magpa moreno color. Let's go! So we are now in White Beach. Para siyang Naked Island sa Siargao. Pero mas malaki to. Like, para paikot. Halos pa letter C. This is it. Morena time. Sand. Though high tide na kasi kami na dumating dito, that's why. Pero if low tide, kita pa sana yan, malaki-laking sandbar pa sana. Pero look at this. So definitely it's a must if you want to go here in Camiguin. Hindi pwedeng hindi kayo pupunta dito sa White Island. I'm gonna put the price here para alam niyo kung magkano yung babayaran niyo sa boat and other fees pa na if ever man. So, bye! So we are now going to Mantigue Island. Dapat tomorrow talaga siya. Fortunately, may nag-rent ng island. Sana all for tomorrow. So, pinost na namin siya today. Let's go! So currently, iniikot namin yung island kasi pwede naman daw siyang maiikot. Good morning. Second day in Camiguin. Look at the sunrise. Ganda. Sobrang perfect nitong hotel na to for sunrise. Grabe. So inland tour kami today. Pero grabe yung sunog, oh. Sunog na. Well, reddish. Hapdi na ng katawan ko. Pero, achieve naman na moreno look. Anyway, lakad-lakad and then breakfast. And then, prepare na kami for inland tour. See you later. So dito kami sa walkway to the old volcano. So mga 1,000 steps daw to. So early morning exercise. It's 9:07 a.m. Pero alam niyo, nakakatawa dito. The government is very strict. Wala kayong makikitang nag-yosi or nag-vape sa kalsada or to any public place. Kasi they're very strict. Tapos, hindi ka pwede magmaoy dito pag nag-iinom kasi pwede kang makulong. It's nice na kayang disiplinahin yung community or yung province nyo ng ganon by the local government. So hopefully more cities or provinces would actually follow. Kasi nakakatuwa. Makikita nyo sa mga may mga mode of transport dito. One is the motorella. Para siyang tuk-tuk, pedicab na mini jeep, ganon. Tapos may multicab din. Tapos yung mga motorella nila dito, may certain area lang. So you have to transfer to another motorella para if you want to go to other parts of the province, ganyan. Pero pwede nyong i-rent ng private. Nagre-range na usually ng 150 to 200 or depende sa usap nyo dun sa driver, ganyan. So yun, nakakatuwa lang kasi sobrang people here are following the rules. So hopefully majority of the Filipinos will follow or yung mga LGU would follow kasi matutuwa, nakakatuwa siya tignan. So ayun, pagudan kasi 1,000 steps. So see you guys later. So we went to Sunken Cemetery. Wasn't able to bring my phone because we had snorkeling. Sobrang ganda. We were able to see a giant turtle even. Pero sobrang lakas ng current. So, pero sobrang worth it. One of the highlights of our Camiguin trip. So definitely a must yung snorkeling sa Sunken Cemetery because if ma-miss out na yun, sayang. Pero sobrang worth it talaga. Now we're in Soda Water Pool. Going to eat our lunch here before going to the falls and any other itineraries. Gonna see you guys later. Kain na muna. Sobrang init. We're now going to Tuason Falls. Whoa! Look!
last stop, Ardent Hibok Spring. Grabe sakit na ng sunburn. One last stop and then pahinga. Morning. Babalik na kami ng CDO today kasi our flight back to Manila is on Sunday. So we'll stay in CDO for a night. We'll have breakfast first and then susulitin namin yung pool before heading out to CDO. Matatapos na ang vacation, but it's okay. Sobrang sulit and enjoy naman. Anyway, see you guys later. We're checking out. Going back to Cagayan de Oro now. So I'll probably end my Camiguin vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you would be notified on my next travel. So wala pa akong next travel plan. So let's see. But I'm gonna see you guys soon. Bye!